Welcome to the best picks. The best kids cooking set is probably one of the most engaging and educational gifts you can give your 3 to 5-year-old, sparking their imagination and fostering a love for cooking and kitchen safety from a young age. But with so many options available, how do you choose the best one to suit your child's needs and interests, and ensure both fun and safety in the kitchen? Number 5. Kids Chef Set. It's time to unbox this amazing chef set. Everything your little one needs to start their culinary adventures is inside. Look at this adorable pink apron and chef's hat. They're perfectly sized for little chefs and so easy to put on. This set includes all the essentials: a rolling pin, whisk, wooden spoon, and even cookie cutters. It's everything they need to bake and cook pretend treats. Safety first. It also has an oven mitt and pot holder to protect those little hands while they're playing. And don't forget the cookbook. It's filled with fun recipes to inspire their creativity in the kitchen. Made from easy care materials, it's machine washable, so you can keep it clean and ready for many play sessions. The apron is adjustable, so it will fit your child as they grow. It's perfect for dress-up play too. Playing with this set helps teach counting and measuring, making learning fun and engaging. It's more than just a toy, it's a way to spark creativity and a love for cooking and baking. What we like? This cooking set has everything your little chef needs to start cooking, from an apron to cookie cutters. It's also machine washable, perfect for messy play. The adjustable straps ensure a comfortable fit for various ages, making it a versatile gift for any aspiring young chef. What people say? From fruits and veggies to the pretend snacks, each item is durable and made for little hands, perfect for my little chef who loves organizing, slicing, and cooking them. The material is solid and has withstood countless playtime sessions, proving to be as resilient as it is fun. The set became an engaging tool in teaching food names, colors, and even basic nutrition concepts, all while fostering a sense of independence as my child navigates their own miniature kitchen scenario. The other items are adorably toddler-sized rolling pin, whisk, and cookie cutters. We have not actually attempted to use these to prepare real food, only pretend food, which they are perfect for. Number 4. BCP Wooden Play Kitchen. It's the perfect play kitchen for aspiring chefs. With its realistic design and tons of accessories, it will spark hours of imaginative play. Kids can jot down their recipes on the chalkboard. It's a great way to combine creativity and cooking fun. It comes with everything they need: utensils, pots, pans, even an ice maker and a phone. There's plenty to keep them busy. It features a towel rack, ice machine, and even realistic clicking oven knobs. It's like a real kitchen, but just their size. It takes about 90 minutes to assemble, but it's worth it for the sturdy and resilient construction. Just follow the instructions. Rest assured, it meets US safety standards. It's built to last and is safe for your little ones to play with. It's 31.25 inches long, 9.5 inches wide, and 31.5 inches high. The perfect size for little chefs. What we like? If you are looking for a realistic play kitchen experience, this set is for you. It includes a variety of accessories and features like a chalkboard and ice maker. The sturdy construction ensures it can withstand hours of imaginative play, making it a long-lasting gift. What people say? Seems pretty durable and not too cheap. All the parts were in great shape and I didn't come across any issues. The doors function great. Very sturdy. There are several different screws for attaching different types of pieces together, other than that easy to put together. We really like all the space in each compartment and the metal utensils that came with it. Number 3. iPlay Kitchen Toy. It's made of safe, high-quality ABS materials, ensuring your child's health and safety comes first. It's designed to be fun and engaging for hours of playtime. The colorful fruits and vegetables can be cut and peeled, just like the real thing. This adds a realistic touch to their imaginative play. This realistic cooking set sparks creativity and helps develop dexterity. It's a great way for your little one to learn and grow. It easily combines with other play kitchen sets and accessories. The many scenarios and actions will keep them entertained and learning for a long time. It makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's perfect for boys and girls alike. This play set encourages children to be creative and imaginative in the kitchen. It's a fun way to learn about cooking and being a helper. What we like. This play set prioritizes safety with its high-quality, non-toxic materials. The realistic-looking food adds to the fun, and it easily combines with other play kitchen sets, expanding the play possibilities. It's a great gift for kids who love imaginative play and role-playing. What people say. Made of a light plastic material, but seems pretty sturdy. Moo daughter has had a blast cutting up the fake food, and cooking for her sister. The best thing I found about these sets is that they allow the grown-ups and kids to play together and have fun. It keeps them from their addiction to technology. Both adults and kids can have fun using their imaginations. These toys bring joy and laughter to both kids and adults. The set come with plastic utensils as well as an adorable cutting board and pots and pans. The fruit is held together with Velcro. It is easy for my son to pretend he is cutting up the food. Once he has everything cut up, he puts them in the pots. He added water pretending he was really cooking. Once he finished cooking, the pieces were easy to put back together so that he could cut them up again. The Velcro seems to be secure and I did not experience a problem with the Velcro peeling falling off the product. Number 2. Cute Stone Play Kitchen. It's a fun and educational toy that will keep your children entertained for hours. They'll love the realistic features and engaging activities it offers. This play kitchen boasts a real working faucet with an automatic water circulation system, making water play even more enjoyable. No more constant pumping. With pots, pans, and play food, it's perfect for imaginative cooking and role-playing. It encourages creativity and storytelling. The dishes change color with warm water, adding an extra element of surprise and fun. It's a great way to introduce kids to temperature changes. It helps develop cognitive skills, enhances social interaction, and improves hand-eye coordination. It's more than just a toy, it's a learning experience. It makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's suitable for toddlers and young children. Remember to remove the faucet when not in use, ensure the battery compartment is sealed, and keep the water level above the hole for optimal function. Use the right screwdriver to avoid damaging the battery compartment. What we like. This set offers a unique feature, a sink with running water. The color-changing utensils add an extra element of surprise. It's more than just a toy, it's an educational tool that promotes social interaction and cognitive development, making it a perfect gift for kids who love interactive play. What people say. It works so well and we like the simplicity of the whole thing. It comes with a decent amount of stuff, too. This actually keeps my almost 2-year-old entertained for a minimum of 30 minutes. Number 1. D-FantiX Play Kitchen. It includes everything needed for hours of pretend play fun. This set has pots, pans, utensils, an apron, a chef's hat, and even play food. Made with real stainless steel and non-toxic plastic, it's safe and built to last. You can rest assured knowing it's durable enough for imaginative cooking. It's more than just a toy, it helps develop hand-eye coordination and imaginative play skills. Kids can learn kitchen skills while having fun. The included storage container keeps everything neat and tidy. It makes cleanup a breeze and saves space. It's a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It encourages creative play and family time. What we like. If you value quality and durability, this set is the best choice. Made with real stainless steel pots and pans, it's built to last. The included storage container keeps everything neat and tidy. It's a great gift for kids who appreciate realistic and long-lasting toys. What people say. This was my daughter's favorite Christmas gift and it's great quality. Has a storage container with a locking lid included. It is smaller than it looks, but it's cute and perfect for small hands. He loves the cooking set, and he loves to cut the veggies and pass plates around. For everyone to eat. When he's done, cleanup is easy, just put everything back in the container. Great packaging and very cute pots. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.